Hey Zane, it seems your roof is leaking. That's not good for anybody. Do you have anything to seal it with? Oh, I see. Poor Zane. No one should go through this kind of thing. Really. That's ecorubber and bag-in-box that you bought to fix your leaks. Ecorubber is environmentally friendly with no toxins or chemicals, and now their packaging is too. Ecorubber's packaging is specially designed for paint and other coatings. It's more sustainable as its outer box is 100% recyclable and foldable. It's easy to decant the product from the valve and to reseal for storage. It uses less plastic than tubs or bottles. It's much lighter than aluminum tins and has a smaller ecological footprint. It's also a lot more practical than most paint packaging methods. It looks great on the shelf, is optimized for transport. It requires low investment, and consumers like Zane love it as it's BPA-free. With this packaging, the leftover ecorubber does not get dry or form a crust, and it keeps the product perfect for as long as 18 months. Be like Zane. Don't just coat your roof, rubberize it. Find your nearest store or approved applicator by visiting www.ecorubber.co.za now.